Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The West Indies went down by 109 runs to Pakistan to end their two-match test series at Sabina Park, all squared at one apiece. Having won the first test by one wicket, the Windies only needed to avoid defeat in the second test to record a first test series win over Pakistan in 21 years. However, after resuming the fifth and final day at 49 for 1, the Caribbean side was bowled out for 219. Number one test all-rounder Jason Holder was the top scorer for the hosts with 47, as the Caribbean side failed to post a partnership of 50 or more runs. Kyle Mears, who was yet to get off the mark in his previous three innings in the series, made 32, while captain Craig Brathwaite scored 39. Man of the match, Shaheen Shah Afridi, ended pick of the Pakistan bowlers with 4 for 43, while spinner Namin Ali took 3 for 42. Afridi, who had 10 wickets in the match, including career best figures of 6 for 51 in the first innings, was named man of the series for his 17 wickets across the two tests.